Let's go over my famous buffalo chili recipe. I always tell my clients it's so important to have maybe a pot of chili in the refrigerator, a pot of chicken soup, because when you come home and you're hungry, you want to have something already ready so you don't make a mistake, so you go right to healthy food. So let's go over the recipe. First of all, I have 3 pounds of bison here, buffalo meat. I take this meat, I put it in like a frying pan, cook it up, then I take it, put it into a colander just to strain some of the fat out of it. Then I take 7 green peppers and 1 large onion. I saute them in a pan with a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. As soon as the peppers and the onions get a little soft, then I add the buffalo meat to the pan, mix it up. The next ingredient I add is a container of 𝙒𝘼𝙏𝘾𝙃 tomato, like chopped tomatoes, taste incredible, low in sodium. I add that. Then this is my secret ingredient, which makes the chili taste incredible. Rotate green peppers and tomatoes with a little bit of spice. I add a whole can of this, tastes amazing. Then I go with 1 tablespoon of the chili powder. This is my favorite one, simply organic. Then I kind of salt the taste. Maybe I go with maybe half a teaspoon or maybe a teaspoon salt, the high mineral salt. Now I try to keep the carbohydrates on the low side, so I'm going to add just half a can of red kidney beans. And I also strain and rinse these beans really well. And then my final ingredient, I like to add a tall boy beer, maybe a lager or a pilsner. First I bring it to a boil, then I let it simmer for like 2 hours or longer. This bison chili tastes incredible, super healthy for you. Whenever you don't know what to eat and you have this chili in the refrigerator, it's an easy go-to. It guarantees you're gonna be eating healthy. Give it a try.